before we dive in, if you haven't seen the previous tutorial where we made this model, go check it out. Link in the description. Trust me, it's worth it. All right, let's get these capsules hopping. Select your main capsule, hop over to the Physics tab, and hit Rigid Body. Pro tip, change the shape to capsule. Blender will treat just the outer layer as the mesh and calculate the simulations way faster. Boom, instant speed up. Now, select all other capsules, but don't deselect the main one. Go to Object, then under Rigid Body, click Copy from Active. And boom, all the other capsules copy the physics perfectly. Easy win. I'm skipping extra tweaks on other meshes. Remember, we covered that in the last video. Have you ever needed to show different angles of your animation, but ended up making a whole new scene just for that? Yeah, that's a waste of time. Let me show you the smarter way. What if I told you you can switch between multiple cameras in the same scene? No duplicate files, no extra renders, just clean, seamless transitions. As you can see here, I've got 3 cameras, one top and 2 close to the bottle. Watch how these angles switch perfectly in the final animation. Looks like magic, right? All right, here's how you do it. Select the camera you want to show first. In my case, that's the top angle. Now, hover over your timeline and press Ctrl+B. Boom, you've just marked that camera as active from this point on. Now the fun part, when the capsules move near the bottle, I want that front camera shot to kick in. So I'll move to that frame, select the second camera, hover again, and press Ctrl+B. And just like that, Blender switches angles seamlessly. Look at that. It's so smooth it looks like an edited cut, but nope, it's all one timeline, one scene. That's the kind of trick that saves hours. Now repeat the same for any other cameras you add. Maybe add a dynamic side shot or a dramatic close-up. Tweak it, play with it, and make it your own. And that's it. Multiple cinematic angles, one single scene. Clean, easy, professional. Time for slow motion. Select all capsules, then Object, then Rigid Body, and then Bake to keyframes. Now it's no longer a simulation. It's controllable animation. Magic, right? Find the frame where you want the slow-mo to start. Grab the keyframes and drag them further in the timeline. Instant slow-mo. Watch the motion. Every bounce, every hop. All buttery smooth. Feel free to play around with timing. That's where the cinematic vibe really comes alive. And that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you liked it. And if you did, hit that subscribe button for more Blender tips like this.